Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I share honest, practical reviews to help you choose the right gear faster. In today's video, I'm covering the top 13 best 2-burner camping stove options that are perfect for outdoor cooking, road trips, and weekend adventures. I've looked at performance, portability, ease of use, and overall value to make this list useful for both beginners and experienced campers. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Novel Dual Burner Propane. The Novel Dual Burner Propane stove is a solid choice when you want reliable heat and simple operation outdoors. I like how both burners provide consistent flames, making it easy to cook full meals without juggling cookware. The sturdy frame feels durable and the controls are straightforward even for beginners. It connects easily to a propane tank and heats up quickly, which saves time when you're hungry. I also appreciate the stable cooking surface that supports larger pans without wobbling. Cleanup is simple thanks to the smooth finish and removable components. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or cooking outside at home, this stove handles everyday cooking tasks with ease. If you want dependable performance without complicated features, this dual burner stove delivers convenience, efficiency, and good value for regular outdoor use. ODSD Portable Dual Burner. The ODSD Portable Dual Burner stove stands out for its compact design and practical cooking power. I like how easy it is to transport, making it ideal for camping trips or outdoor events. Both burners offer steady heat, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at the same time without stress. The control knobs respond smoothly, giving you better temperature control while cooking. It feels stable on flat surfaces, which adds confidence when using heavier cookware. I also appreciate how quickly it sets up and packs away after use. This stove is great for anyone who wants portability without sacrificing functionality. If space and convenience matter to you, the ODSD Dual Burner Stove is a reliable option that balances performance, ease of use, and everyday outdoor cooking needs. Bestfire Dual Burner Stove. The Bestfire Dual Burner Stove is designed for campers who want strong heat and dependable construction. I noticed how evenly both burners distribute heat, which helps avoid undercooked or burnt food. The metal body feels sturdy and capable of handling frequent outdoor use. I like the simple ignition system that gets the stove ready quickly without hassle. The wide cooking surface comfortably supports pots and pans of different sizes. It's also easy to clean after meals, which is always a plus when camping. This stove performs well for everything from boiling water to cooking full meals. If you're looking for a dual burner stove that focuses on durability and consistent performance, the Bestfire model is a dependable choice for outdoor cooking. Adjustable Portable Dual Burner. The adjustable portable dual burner stove offers flexibility that I really appreciate during outdoor cooking. Each burner has adjustable flame controls, making it easier to manage different cooking styles at once. The compact build makes it simple to carry, while still providing enough space for real cookware. I like how stable it feels when set up, even on uneven surfaces. The heat output is strong enough for boiling, frying, or simmering meals comfortably. Setup is quick, and the design keeps things user-friendly. This stove works well for campers who want more control over their cooking temperatures. If you enjoy preparing different meals outdoors and want versatility in a portable form, this adjustable dual burner stove is a practical and efficient option. Portable Dual Burner Stove. This portable dual burner stove is all about convenience and everyday usability. I like how lightweight it feels while still offering solid cooking power. Both burners heat evenly, which makes meal preparation faster and less stressful. The simple control knobs are easy to use, even if you're new to camping stoves. It sets up quickly and doesn't require complicated assembly. I also appreciate how compact it becomes when stored, saving space during travel. The surface supports common cookware sizes without tipping issues. Whether you're cooking breakfast or dinner outdoors, this stove handles basic needs well. If you want a straightforward, portable dual burner stove that gets the job done without extra fuss, this one fits nicely into most outdoor setups. Dual Burner Camp Stove. The Dual Burner Camp Stove is built for reliable outdoor performance. I like how the burners provide steady flames that make cooking predictable and efficient. The stove feels sturdy, which adds confidence when using heavier pots or pans. It's easy to connect to a propane source, and the ignition process is quick. I also appreciate the balanced design that keeps cookware stable while cooking. Cleanup is simple, which is important when packing up after a long day outside. This stove works well for camping, picnics, and outdoor gatherings where you need dependable heat. If you're looking for a practical camp stove that focuses on stability, ease of use, and consistent cooking results, this dual burner option is worth considering. Camp Chef Dual Stove. The Camp Chef Dual Stove is a great option if you want strong performance and trusted design. I like how powerful the burners are, making it easy to cook larger meals efficiently. The cooking surface feels spacious and stable, which is helpful when using bigger cookware. Temperature control is smooth, allowing precise adjustments while cooking. The overall build quality feels solid and designed for repeated outdoor use. Setup is straightforward, and the stove performs consistently from start to finish. It's well suited for camping trips where cooking is a big part of the experience. If you want a dual burner stove that combines power, reliability, and user-friendly design, this model delivers dependable outdoor cooking performance. Dual Burner Outdoor Stove. The Dual Burner Outdoor Stove is designed for simple and effective cooking outside. I like how evenly both burners heat, which helps manage multiple dishes at once. The sturdy base keeps everything stable even when using larger pots. The control knobs are easy to adjust, giving better control over flame intensity. It's also easy to transport, making it suitable for camping or outdoor gatherings. I appreciate how quickly it heats up, saving time when preparing meals. Cleanup doesn't take long, which is always a bonus. This stove is a good fit for anyone who wants reliable outdoor cooking without extra complexity. If you value ease of use and steady performance, this dual burner stove is a practical choice. AFFLUENT Dual Burner Stove. The AFFLUENT Dual Burner Stove offers a nice balance of portability and performance. I like how compact it feels while still delivering reliable heat from both burners. The design supports stable cooking, which makes handling cookware safer and easier. Temperature control is smooth, allowing you to simmer or cook at higher heat comfortably. It sets up quickly and doesn't require much effort to start cooking. I also appreciate how easy it is to clean after use. This stove works well for camping trips, outdoor meals, and casual cooking sessions. If you're looking for a dual burner stove that's easy to carry, simple to use, and dependable for regular outdoor cooking, the AFFLUENT model is a solid option. Gas One Dual Burner Stove. The Gas One Dual Burner Stove is known for consistent performance and user-friendly design. I like how quickly both burners ignite and provide steady heat. The sturdy frame supports cookware well, reducing wobble during cooking. Flame control is responsive, which helps manage different cooking tasks at the same time. It's easy to transport and store, making it suitable for camping or outdoor events. The overall build feels durable and designed for repeated use. Cleanup is straightforward, which makes packing up easier. If you want a dependable dual-burner stove that focuses on reliability and ease of operation, the Gas One model delivers solid outdoor cooking performance without unnecessary complications. 26K BTU Dual Burner Stove. The 26K BTU Dual Burner Stove is ideal when you need serious cooking power outdoors. I like how strong the heat output is, making it great for boiling, frying, and cooking larger meals quickly. Despite the power, the controls allow smooth adjustments for better temperature management. The stove feels sturdy and stable even under heavy cookware. Setup is simple and it connects easily to a propane source. I also appreciate how efficiently it handles high-heat cooking tasks. This stove is perfect for campers who cook often and want faster results. If high performance and strong heat output are priorities, this dual-burner stove delivers impressive cooking capability. MoKo Portable Dual Burner. The MoKo Portable Dual Burner Stove focuses on convenience and efficient design. I like how lightweight and compact it feels, making transportation easy. Both burners provide reliable heat for everyday outdoor cooking needs. The control knobs are simple and responsive, helping manage cooking temperatures comfortably. It sets up quickly and doesn't take much space when stored. The cooking surface supports standard cookware sizes without issues. Cleanup is easy, which saves time after meals. This stove works well for campers who want portability without sacrificing functionality. If you're looking for a practical dual-burner stove that's easy to carry and use, the MoKo model offers dependable performance for casual outdoor cooking. 17K BTU dual-burner stove. The 17K BTU dual-burner stove is a great choice for balanced outdoor cooking. I like how it delivers enough heat for most meals without being overwhelming. Both burners heat evenly, making cooking smoother and more predictable. The sturdy base keeps cookware stable, which adds safety while cooking. Flame control is easy to manage, allowing for simmering or higher heat as needed. It's also simple to set up and pack away after use. This stove suits campers who want reliable performance without excessive power. If you're looking for a dual-burner stove that offers efficiency, control, and convenience, this 17K BTU option is a dependable outdoor cooking companion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown of dual-burner camping stoves helped you narrow the right option for your outdoor cooking needs. Each stove on this list offers something different, whether it's power, portability, or ease of use. Remember, you can find all the product links in the description to check prices and extra details. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone planning a trip. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews for more honest, easy-to-follow product reviews that help you buy smarter every time.